Hey, hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Here, as you can see, I had this comment about how to enter the NFT giveaways to get your free NFTs or even the cryptocurrency. All right, so it depends on the project. Some give free Ethereum, some give Solana, some give, it depends on the person who's doing the giveaway. They might give any cryptocurrency that they want or any NFT art that they want. Okay, so how to get to those giveaways? So you have to participate on as much and many giveaways as possible so you can get a higher chance to win. There is a lot of projects on Ethereum NFTs, and there is on Cardano right now, and there is Solana. Right, you can get into all of them. All right, so to get to those, for example, you just need to go to rarity.tools. This tool here, I have already showed you how to use it on a video of how to get into NFTs. And if you want the other websites tools that help you with the other cryptocurrency NFTs like Cardano and Solana, there is other videos to check. Just check them and use those tools to see the upcoming projects, all right, to make it easier for you. All right, so here, as you can see, these are all the upcoming projects, and as you can see, there are a lot of them, and you can scroll and scroll and scroll and see all of these. So how to get free stuff? Okay, we don't want to be paying an amount of NFTs. We don't want to be paying to get these NFTs. All right, so you got a chance to get and enter all of these. And of course, when you get into any of these early, like on their Discord, you might have a higher chance of getting and winning, as well as they are just giving free NFTs for those people without even needing to enter a giveaway. So it's always great to be early into some projects. Okay, so how to get into any project? Just like go to their Twitter account. There is always a giveaway on there. Okay, and it depends on each project, of course, but if you don't find any giveaway on any project, it just needs some time, and just follow them, and with time they will figure out their roadmap and they will lie down every step that they want to do, like the giveaway, when it's going to be, and other stuff. Okay, as well as joining their Discord. On Discord, each and every NFT project, you can find that they have a thread that is giveaways. All right, it's just dedicated for giveaways. So some people on there, sometimes it's just people that are on that Discord server that they want to give to the community. Sometimes it's the owner of the project. It depends each time and who's hosting that giveaway. Okay, there are a lot of people that want to just give free stuff. Okay, so you just go there and it's super simple. You just click an icon on whatever they say on that thread. Okay, as for Twitter giveaway, it's so simple. Just head down here and look if there is a giveaway in here, and if it's not, just give them a follow and head back again when there is a giveaway. Okay, so on here we don't see any giveaway, so let's head, here it is. Okay, so this is a giveaway. So to enter, so the steps are pretty simple. There isn't anything that is complicated about it. Just follow these two accounts, like and retweet and tag 3 friends, and join Discord. So here is another one. This is another giveaway. So this is what I'm talking about. This is a way of getting into projects, and you can get to each one of these. Go to this one again, go to this one, and go to this one. You're losing nothing. Just go and keep doing it. All right, as for this, let's see what's the prizes. I forgot about it. So you get 2 NFTs. As for these, they give you NFTs. Some they will be giving you a half an Ethereum, some they will be giving you an amount of Cardano, some it will be an NFT, and the second person who wins will get an NFT. So it depends. Okay, so you can get into each one of these and get into Discord as well, and just participate on those giveaways. Okay, another way to find these new projects is by going to Twitter. Okay, so Twitter, if you typed in the hashtag NFT and just go here, and each time you will see new ones, and just scroll down and you will find 100% you will find giveaways in here. Okay, here is a giveaway. Okay, and just check this here. Here you will find a new hashtag that you'll be getting into. Just open a new tab and get into this giveaway. And here is NFT giveaways. So this one here is the hashtag NFT giveaway, and you get to see, all right, there are a lot of other giveaways in here, and you just participate on them. Okay, let's head back to NFT, this one here. So of course, when you get into any of these, like NFT or NFT giveaway, here will appear a lot of giveaways. Like it might be an Ethereum NFT, it might be Solana, it might be any other cryptocurrency NFT. Okay, so just make sure that whatever platform they are using, and to have the address, okay, your wallet address, so you can get the NFT. Okay, as if you want a specific NFT like Ethereum, so for these here are of course Ethereum based, but if you want like Solana or Cardano, just check. I have made some other videos about how to get into Cardano or Solana. I have showed some tools that help you to find upcoming projects as well as running projects and get into them to do the same. Okay, so this is the video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you for watching.